Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of boat maintenance with the WAN2TLK 100ml Gel Coat Repair Kit. If you're a boat owner like me, you know how crucial it is to keep your vessel looking pristine. This product claims to be the best in the market for repairing gel coat damage, so let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Before we get into the details, let's talk about what this kit offers. It's designed specifically to repair surface scratches, cracks, and holes on fiberglass boats, ensuring a seamless finish that rejuvenates your boat's appearance. WAN2TLK promises strong adhesion and wear resistance, making the repaired surface waterproof and leak-proof once fully cured. This ensures your repairs last even under harsh marine conditions. Once applied, the gel coat repair dries to a high gloss finish, blending seamlessly with the original gel coat. It's also UV resistant, which is crucial for maintaining that shiny, new look over time. The kit includes everything you need: 250ml gel coat repair solutions, sandpapers of various grits, gloves, mixing tools, and more. It's designed for ease of use, so you don't need to be a professional to achieve professional results. In conclusion, the WAN2TLK 100ml Gel Coat Repair Kit for boats lives up to its claim of being a top-tier solution for gel coat repairs. It's user-friendly, durable, and delivers a high-quality finish that any boat enthusiast would appreciate. Whether you're dealing with scratches, cracks, or minor dents, this kit provides an effective and affordable solution. If you're interested in learning more about this product or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe on the water.